Hi. Today I will show you what is in the GoPro package I ordered from GoPro.com. First I will open the package I received from the courier. As you can see, everything I ordered is packed in one cardboard box. In the cardboard box was two smaller boxes, first box containing the camera and the second box containing the charger and battery. There was also a document for the shipment in the box and micro SD memory card. This box contains a 2-battery charger, 1 battery, and a USB cable for the charger. This is micro SD card for 32 gigabytes. This card was included in price. And in this box, of course, is the camera itself. I don't know what's inside yet, but we'll open it soon and look at the contents. First, remove both boxes from the plastic packaging so that it does not interfere in the future. Accidentally drop the memory card. Let's start with a box whose contents are known and look inside. The contents of the box were securely fastened so that it would not shake or damage during delivery. The box contains 2 tutorials. This is a GoPro battery charger. It's very good quality with 2 slots and has a Type-C USB port. The body itself is made of solid plastic. There is rubber at the bottom. A USB cable with Type-C is also included. It's not too long, but it will be fine. The wire feel like made from quality materials. The last thing in this package is the battery itself. It is packed in a plastic bag. It fits easily into its slot and holds well. And now let's get to the main box. I can't wait to see what's inside. And you? I like that the GoPro has taken care of opening the box easily, without damaging it. The box contains a good quality storing case to store your GoPro easily. Now let's open and look inside. Inside are 2 instructions and cool GoPro stickers. As well, there is info how to connect the camera to the phone. There was also a USB cable in this package. I already got 2 Type-C cables together in this package. The kit also includes the most common GoPro mounts. One can be glued to the stuff and the other is compatible with other GoPro mounts. I also got 1 battery in this kit. Together I have 2 batteries, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video. I would be very grateful if you would press like and subscribe my channel. That would help me a lot. The mount also has a rubber part to prevent accidental damage to the camera. And this is the GoPro camera itself. Properly packed and glued with protective shields. Looks pretty cool. It felt very good quality in my hands. It has 2 large rubber buttons and 2 displays. One at the front and the other main display with touchscreen at the back. The mounting connection is hidden inside the camera and can be opened when needed. The mount is of metal, and with magnets. Okay, let's try to insert the battery and turn it on. The hardest part is to open battery cover lid. The camera itself is in a metal housing. The front of the camera and the back of the camera are covered with rubber. When I finally opened the cover, I inserted the battery and the micro SD card. Yes, I forgot to insert micro SD. Let's open the package to get to the card. If anyone is interested, it is a 32GB micro SD card, SanDisk Extreme. This card is recommended by GoPro itself, so it is included in package. Thanks for watching this video. I would be very grateful if you would press like and subscribe my channel. That would help me a lot. When the memory card and battery are finally inserted, let's close the cover and turn on the camera. The camera is on, but the battery is empty. This image shows everything I got from GoPro.com. I hope I will enjoy this camera. And I hope I won't be mistaken in buying it.